So there's a new AI image generator in the market that proves to be ranked as #1 AI image generator out there, and even surpasses some of the famous tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Flux 1.1 Pro as well. So yeah, I'm talking about Recraft AI, which is a brand new AI image generator in the market. And with this amazing ultra-realistic image capabilities, it has surpassed all the famous AI tools like Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. So yeah, without further ado, let's explore this AI tool and compare it with different models out there to see how good it is. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Recraft AI, and right off the bat, you guys can see we get a very cool looking, a very amazing design in which we get to see the features that this amazing AI image generator offers. So we get like lots of different styles such as photorealism style right over here. Then we get other features like we get different styles like vector art, hard flash, illustration, and you can go ahead and basically do lots of other things as well with the help of this new AI image generator, which is Recraft AI, right? So yeah, the question arises like, why are we reviewing this AI image generator out of all other AI tools, right? So the answer for that is like lots of people on internet like YouTube and social media platforms are claiming that this is the top ranked AI image generator. Like it surpasses even Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Flux 1.1 Pro, which at time was very hard for me to believe, you guys. But then I basically went ahead and started my research, and I went to this very amazing website, Artificial Analysis, which basically does a comparison like, rankings of the famous AI tools. And in that, I basically went to the leaderboards, and I'm going to select text to image. So this is basically, text to image arena in artificial analysis, which is basically a blind test, like a blind comparison in which you can go ahead and vote for the best results. And after you're done with everything, it basically take all of the people's preferences and then rank the best AI tools accordingly, right? So in that, if you go to the leaderboard, so you guys can see, Recraft is nailing right on the top, surpassing even Flux 1.1 Pro. Midjourney V6.1 is also on the list, and Stable Diffusion 3.5 Turbo, Midjourney V6, and we have Ideogram in that as well. So yeah, that is really amazing, you guys, right? And that's exactly why we're gonna go ahead and review this amazing AI image generator and compare that some of the famous AI image tools as well. Okay. Alright, so first of all, when we are in the homepage of Recraft.ai, so the next thing we have to do is we need to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to click on Get a Recraft Free. And then it's going to ask me for my Google, Discord, or Apple account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. All right, so once I'm signed in, then it's going to ask me for the pricing, like which plan would I like. So starting off, we get the free plan in which you get handsome amount of credits. You get 50 free credits daily. And mind you guys, those credits renew every single day, right? And that would be pretty much enough to explore, to test out this amazing AI image generator. But if you don't want that, obviously you can select the basic one, advanced, or the pro one according to your need, right? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and select just a free version, and I'm going to go ahead and review that in detail and compare that with other AI image generators out there as well, okay? Alright, so in the home page, this is the type of the interface that you get with your Recraft.ai. So yeah, we get a canvas type of design that we also saw before in other AI tools as well, right? And on the left, we get options for image, frame, image set, and mockup according to your need. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and select image from here. And in that, on the left side now, we get the prompt box in which you can go ahead and input your prompt. You can choose your aspect ratio. You can choose number of variations, your visibility, and charisma size, okay? And on the top left, we get the very important feature of Recraft AI, which is style. So yeah, you guys can see we get plenty of different styles right over here that you can go ahead and test out right now, okay? So yeah, starting off, I'm gonna go ahead and just simply type in my simple prompt over here, which will girl sitting in an Italian cafe, and I'm gonna choose my aspect ratio as 1:1. And now let's just go ahead and select first of all this style, the standard one, and let's click on a Recraft. And yeah, it's gonna take around only a minute or so to generate my image, okay? Alright, so here we go, guys. You guys can see my result has been created, and the first impression, the result looked really good. The output turned out absolutely perfect. We have very good amount of details into that, but I'm not sure why we have 2 coffee mugs, in front of the girl. But yeah, you guys can see that the result looks really good. If you take a look at the face, yeah, we have a little bit of a deformation, but I think it would be fixed if you go ahead and select any other tool in that. So yeah, in this AI image generator, you just have to basically customize again and again just to get the perfect output that you need. So let's just say for this, I select now the photorealism style. Let's just recraft this once again and see how it looks now, okay? All right, so here we go, guys. Now, so this photoreal style right over here basically provides more like realistic style rather than, a polished skin like AI generated typical outputs, right? Like, take a look at this result, right? It looks absolutely perfect. Now the background looks more and more real than it was before. And if you take a look at the second generation, so yeah, this looks really, really good. Just we are having a little bit of a deformation. Other than that, the results, everything turned out really, really good. We get very realistic results initially in our Recraft.ai, okay? So the next thing, we're going to go ahead and explore all these different styles that we get in Recraft AI with the help of a single prompt. So first of all, I'm going to type in my basic prompt, which will be a portrait of a black boy, okay? So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and simply generate this image with the basic standard Recraft V3 raw. So yeah, these are the results it's going to come out with, and you guys can see both the results look really, really good. We get very natural lighting. The skin doesn't look that much polished. Maybe, yeah, in this one. But other than that, the results look really, really good. So let's just go ahead and try the more realistic, right? The photorealism style. Let's just generate this result and see the output, okay? All right, so now that's more like it. So now we get, that graininess in the face that exactly we're looking for. And, the results, it looking very, very accurate than it was before. And now we don't have that polished skin. Maybe we have a little bit, but I think you can go ahead and fix that by providing more and more in your prompt, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and try the same prompt with different styles, like 4 to 5 different styles from here. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and compare the results in the end, okay? So here we go, guys. So now we have like these all different styles that I created with just one prompt, which was a portrait of a black boy. So you guys can see how capable this AI image generator is. You can go ahead and basically create a different style for your images. Like, it could be any image you want. So yeah, you can basically customize your image according to your liking with the help of this amazing AI image generator, right? All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and basically compare this Recraft.ai with Flux 1.1 Pro, which I'm using in Krea AI. So I'm going to compare both of these AI tools just to get the idea like how capable this AI tool is, because according to me, the best in class is Flux 1.1 Pro, right? So I'm going to simply first of all copy this prompt right over here, come to my Recraft.ai and paste it over here. And in that, I'm going to first of all select this Recraft V3 raw. And let's select the aspect ratio as 16:9 maybe. All right, now let's just go ahead and generate these images, and then we're going to compare both of our outputs, okay? All right, so there we go, guys. Both of the results look really, really good. Those look really, really identical. We don't see any deformation in both of the results. Both of the results turn out really, really good. But if I see in Flux 1.1 Pro, again, it looks really, really, polished. It looks like it is AI generated, because obviously the bokeh effect is really strong into that. But on the other hand, if you take a look at the Recraft one, it is much more on the natural side that we see in Flux 1.1 Pro. But if I have to give a final verdict, I must say like both of the images look really, really identical. So if you are looking to get that professional portraits, so yeah, obviously for that, Recraft would be a wonderful choice as well, right? But don't worry if you want to go ahead and get that, a natural grained images. So I'm going to go ahead and tell the procedure of that as well at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. So now let's just go ahead and generate these type of results in Recraft.ai as well. So I'm going to copy this prompt once again. Come to my Recraft.ai and paste it right over here. Let's just generate this and compare both of the results. All right, wow. So now that's more like it. In that, I'm really much liking the image that Recraft AI generated, because obviously our prompt was a full body photograph, right? So yeah, Recraft.ai basically followed that prompt really, really accurately. And I must say, the images of Recraft AI looks more natural. But on the other hand, the Flux 1.1 Pro's images, like the results look really much AI generated. We don't see any naturalism in that. It looks like it is some image created from AI. But on the other hand, I must say the Recraft absolutely nailed that result, right? Especially the background, it looks really, really perfect. Like it looks really cinematic. It looks like it's some kind of a movie scene, right? All right, so finally, the moment of truth for which all of you guys were waiting for, how you can create those kind of realistic graininess images that we created like few weeks ago with Flux 1.1 Pro. So yeah, that is really, really simple as well, you guys. First of all, I'm going to go to my image section once again. Let's just go ahead and simply type in my simple prompt. So that would be the number one step. You have to be as much precise, as much short as you can with your prompt. Okay, so I'm going to type in my simple prompt like a portrait of a woman. That's it. Okay, and then after that, a very important step in the style options, you need to go ahead and select this hard flash feature. So what that's gonna do, this is gonna basically provide that, mobile, that old vintage phone camera effect that you've been missing in your images, because you don't want that strong bouquet, like extra professionalism in your images. You want that graininess, a bit of imperfection in images, so that it looks real. So this style is gonna basically provide that in your images. Okay, so I'm gonna apply these, and now let's just go ahead and generate and then see our output. All right, wow. So now take a look at this, right? Looks absolutely perfect. Like take a look at the lighting on the woman's face. We have that graininess in the images that we're exactly looking for. And the background looks really, really natural. We don't see any like polished skin in the images. And if you take a look at the second variation, wow, this is absolutely beautiful. It looks like, the image was created with flashlight on of some like iPhone camera or something like that, or maybe a Samsung. But yeah, this image turns out really, really natural. Like if you take a look at the clothes, the face, we don't see any polished skin into that. And yeah, it looks absolutely perfect, you guys, right? Similarly, now let's just go ahead and type another simple prompt. So it will be like a man in cafe. Okay, simple as that. Let's just generate this and see our output for this one, okay? All right, and again, this looks absolutely beautiful, you guys, right? Looks really, really natural. We don't see that professionalism in our images that we wanted. And yeah, we can see a bit of a graininess in the images, just the way we like for our extra realistic images, right? And if you take a look at the second variation, so wow, that is absolutely beautiful. It is totally looking like that candid shot that somebody might have taken from his phone camera. So yeah, these kind of very ultra realistic results, like a bit of imperfect results, you can create now with the help of Recraft AI as well. So yeah, at that note, I can totally say that this could be a very good AI tool, and it clearly justifies that why it is on top of the leaderboard. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.